Ford's BlueCruise, a hands-free highway driving feature, has achieved two major milestones. According to Drive Tesla, the system is now approved for use in Europe and is installed in more than 420,000 vehicles. BlueCruise received approval from the European Commission for use in 15 countries, including France, Germany, and Italy. It can now operate on over 82,642 miles of designated highways called Blue Zones. Ford says customers can embark on multi-country road trips using BlueCruise. For example, a journey from Sweden to Italy, nearly 1,864 miles, can now be completed hands-free. Existing Mustang Mach-E owners in these countries will get a software update to activate BlueCruise. This makes BlueCruise the most widely available Level 2 hands-free driving system in Europe. In the US, over 415,000 vehicles now have BlueCruise, a 25% increase from Q1 2024. Users have covered more than 200 million miles in Canada and the US with BlueCruise activated, up from 70 million miles a year ago. You are listening to UON News.